guys. Today we're gonna talk about the functions of what we learned in ACT. First of all, these two methods, you guys would have seen a lot of these kind of things. Y and fx equals the same thing. Just think of as y. If you plug this x in fx means what you have to plug it into the x value. So if there's 5 in it, you have to plug 5 to the x, which is 2 times 5 plus 1 equals 11. But in ACT math, sometimes they fool you with using other different symbols and not y and fx, such as these looking guys and other alphabet. So whenever you see these, just think of as y, and anything comes in the bracket, just think of as what you have to plug it in to the x value. So it's not that hard. Just like they want to test you if you can know that's the y value, and yeah, it's basically the same as fx and y. So let's see. You also see functions portrayed purely as graphs, and let's see. They're saying that fx be defined by the following graph, and the question is, what is f negative 1? Basically, I told you that this value would be fx, and the x is negative 1. So if you see here, this dot is negative 1 comma 0, which equals y equals 0. So you can know that f negative 1 equals 0. The answer would be 0. And let's see, another issue with functions is making sure that you work from the inside out. For example, if you have the following functions, these two functions, and you wanted to know that, you'll see these kind of questions a lot in ACT. Okay, I'll write the functions down here again. Equals 3x squared negative 1 gx. Gx also equals same as y and fx. Okay, let's see the question. So inside out for this question, so g1 first, you plug in 1 to 2x plus 3, which is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And then now it means this, so you plug 5 into the x value of fx function, which is 3 times 25 negative 1, which is 75, negative 1, which is 74. So the 74 will be the answer. Okay, now let's go to some practice questions. Okay, fx equals 2x squared. What is f3? So basically you plug it into the x, which is 2 times 3 squared, which is 9, equals 18. In fx equals sine x as graphed below, what is the value of f pi? So it will be the x value, which is here. So it will be 0. Y value is 0. Okay, number 3, if fx equals 5x plus 1 and gx equals 2x minus 3, what is fg2? Okay, first we plug 2 to g function, which is 4 minus 3, 1, and we plug this 1 to the fx function, which is 5 plus 1, which is 6. Okay, next. Number 4, en equals n squared, and that equals that. And what is this? So don't freak out for these kind of questions. It's basically the same but different, like unusual symbols. So you plug in 2 to this function, squared function, triangle function. I don't know what that is, but you plug that 2, which is 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now you plug this 6 to the en function, which is 6 squared equals 36. So the answer will be 36. Okay, so this was the chapter about function, and I hope you got help. Thank you.